Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to create and share a calendar with someone on your iPhone using the Apple Calendar app. Let's get started. First, open the Calendar app on your iPhone. Tap Calendars at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap Add Calendar. Enter a name for your new calendar. You can choose any name you like, such as family events, work, or travel. After naming your calendar, tap Done. Now tap the Info I button next to the calendar you just created. Under the Shared With section, tap Add Person. Enter the Apple account email address or iCloud email of the person you want to share the calendar with. Select their contact, then tap Add. The person will receive an invitation to join your shared calendar. Once they accept the invitation, they'll be able to see all the events in the calendar. If you allow editing, they'll also be able to add, edit, and remove events, and any changes will automatically sync between both of your devices.